What's good? What's good? Good morning, Jay. We're back with another video. Today is February 11th, Thursday, 11:06 a.m. Today I'm gonna do a video on clickbank and Google ads, promoting weight loss products. Over the past 2 days, I've been promoting Flat Belly Tonic using Google ads. As you can see, from February 10 to 11, 44 clicks so far. Spent about $80. All right, let me go to ClickFunnels. It's my landing page I'm using. Come on. Let's log into ClickBank real quick. See how much we made from yesterday to today. Between yesterday and today, we made $371. February 10th and February 11th. So for those y'all who keep DMing me saying that I'm not using Google ads and I'm using Microsoft ads only, I'm using both. It's no special ad platform you can use to make money. It don't matter which one you can use. Facebook, Pinterest, Amazon ads, Microsoft, Google, it don't matter. You can make money off any ad platform. So in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. Y'all have a good day.